Number 4 is Creality CR-M4 largest FDM 3D printer. The Creality CR-M4 largest FDM 3D printer is an optimistic game-changer in mass manufacturing with a creative twist. Picture this, a colossal 450,450,470mm build volume that sets your imagination free, allowing jaw-dropping, intricately detailed models to defy the norm. Wave goodbye to post-processing woes, its expansive build area brings intricate designs to life without the fuss. Batch printing? Oh, it's got you covered. Imagine cranking out prototypes and small-scale production with a robust 30 kilograms print capacity. The dual Y-axis linear rails, machined from bearing steel, ensure your creations glide into reality, holding up to 30 kilograms loads like an absolute champ. Enter the Sprite dual-gear extruder, an all-metal marvel that dances with filament, enabling you to sculpt high-precision models like an artist. Even flexible filaments like TPU are no match for their finesse. And let's talk auto-leveling wizardry. The CR Touch ensures 25-point precision, with AZ offset calibrated to a mesmerizing 0.05mm accuracy, nailing that oh-so-perfect distance. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box